Dear students, today we will discuss about complement of a set. Let U be a universal set and A be any subset of U. A is obviously subset if U is universal set. Then A complement equals to U minus A. Means this dash representation of complement is A complement, or sometimes we use AC. Both notations are the notations of a complement of a set. It means all the elements of U which are not in A, which is the complement of a set A. If we represent it by Venn diagram, then this is U and this is A set, so its complement is exterior point of a E. This represent the A complement. Clear? For example, A is 1, 2, 3, 4. U is 1, 2, dash, dash, 8 up to 8 tak. Then if I would like to write A complement, then this is U minus A, means all the elements of U which are not in A. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8 is the A complement. If I would like to find again complement of A, then all the elements of A complement which are not in U. So elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Or which is equal to A. So this is the complement. Means for finding the complement we must know about a universal set. So if you ask find the complement of a particular set, then you will be given some properties of a complement set. First, A complement of complement equals to A. Second, A union A complement is U from this Venn diagram. Third, A intersection A complement. A is this, A complement is this. So A intersection A complement is 5. Fourth, A union B complement. So this is A complement intersection B complement. Means यूनियन का कंप्लीमेंट इज इंटरसेक्शन, इंटरसेक्शन का कंप्लीमेंट क्या हो जाएगा हमारे पास यूनियन. तो सिमिलरली ए इंटरसेक्शन बी कंप्लीमेंट इज ए कंप्लीमेंट यूनियन बी कंप्लीमेंट. क्लियर? सिक्स्थ, यू कंप्लीमेंट इज यू कंप्लीमेंट इज 5. सेवंथ, फाइव कंप्लीमेंट इज यू. So these are some properties of a complement of a sets. You can verify these properties by using Venn diagram or by taking any example. Clear? So this is simple. Now exercise 1.5. Question number 1. Let U equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. B equals to 2, 4, 6, 8. And C equals to 3, 4, 5, 6. Find A complement. A complement is all the elements of U which are not in A. Means 1 2 3 4 छोड़ दीजिए, 5 6 7 8 9 first. Second is B complement. B complement is we leave 2 4 6 8, तो 1 3 5 7 9. Third is A union C complement. So either you have to find A union C, then find complement, or you use this De Morgan law. A complement intersection C complement. So A union C is A union C. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Clear? Its complement is we leave 1 to 6. So elements are 7 8 9. Clear? Fourth is A union B complement. So you have to find A union B, then find complement, or we use A complement intersection B complement. A complement intersection B complement is intersection is what? Intersection is 5 7 9. The result is 5 7 9. Why? Anyway, you find. Fifth is A complement equals to A. Try it yourself. Sixth is B minus C complement. So first you have to find B minus C. B minus C. All the elements of B which are not in C. 2 C में नहीं है, 4 है, 6 है, 8 नहीं है. Its complement is leave 2 and 8. So 1 3 4 5 6 7 9 is the answer. Clear? Next question number 2. If U is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, find the complement. Find the complement of following. First, A is A, B, C. Then A complement is U minus A. So leaving A, B, C, write all elements D, E, F, G, H. Second, B equals to D, E, F, G. Then B complement is U minus B. So B is leaving D, E, F, G. So A, B, C and H. Clear? Third is C. C is what? A, C, E, G. Then find C complement. C complement is U minus C. So leave C, A, C, E, G. A, C, E, G leave. So write remaining elements B, D, F, H. Clear? Fourth is D. So D is F, G, H, A. D complement is U minus D. So leave F, G, H, A. So remaining elements are B, C, D, E. Clear? Now question number 3. Third question is taking the set of natural number as universal set. Means U is all natural number. Write down the complement. For question statements you can use NCERT book. First, X such that X is an even natural number. Either you can write directly or you change it into roster form. इवन नेचुरल नंबर तो इट्स कंप्लीमेंट इज, इसका रिवर्स क्या होगा, एक्स सच दैट एक्स इज ओड नेचुरल नंबर। इवन का ऑपोजिट क्या होगा, ओड, या इसको हम राइट कर सकते हैं 2 4 6 डैश डैश, तो ए कंप्लीमेंट इज 1 3 5 डैश डैश। क्लियर। सेकंड, x इज एन ओड नेचुरल नंबर, तो x इज एन ओड नेचुरल नंबर, तो दिस इज, ये इसका, ये एक दूसरे के रिवर्स हो जाएंगे। थर्ड, x is a positive multiple of 3, x such that x is a positive multiple of a 3। clear। तो accept positive multiple of 3 means let this is b sets, तो in roster form we can write 3 6 9 12 like that। तो b complement is either x such that x is not a positive multiple of 3, if you would like to write it in set builder form, or b complement is 1 2 4 5 7 8 like that। clear। fourth is x is a prime number, let this is c, x says that x is a prime number, so simple ways its reverse is x says that x is not a prime number। fifth, x is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5, x says that x is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5, 3 और 5 से डिविजिबल हो, तो d complement is x says that x is not a natural number divisible by 3 and 5। 3 and 5 means divisible by both 3 and 5 means 15 like that, 15 then 30 then 45। यदि और होता तो फिर इनमें से कोई एक होता, या दोनों हो सकते थे। क्लियर। सिक्स्थ है x इज परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, x says that x is a perfect square, so similarly you can write e complement x says that x is not a perfect square। clear। perfect square means elements are 1 4 9 25 16 like that। clear। seventh, x is a perfect cube, तो x is not a perfect cube। एट्थ, सेवंथ खुद ट्राई करोगे। एट्थ, let f set is, this is capital, we take capital, x says that x plus 5 equals to 8, x plus 5 equals to 8 means x plus 5 equals to 8, find the value of x 3। clear। तो f complement is x says that x belongs to n but x is not equal to 3, 3 नहीं होना चाहिए, बाकी सभी एलिमेंट्स होंगे। नेक्स्ट नाइन्थ, नाइन्थ इज let g set x says that 2x plus 5 equals to 9, तो find the value of x which satisfy this equation, 2x plus 5 equals to 9, 2x equals to 4, x equals to 2 means g complement is 2 नहीं होना चाहिए, x says that x belongs to n and x is not equal to 2, if we would like to write it into set builder form। clear। 10th is x says that x greater than equal to 7, तो its complement is h complement. x such that x less than 7, because 7 include here, तो 7 यहाँ पे include नहीं होना चाहिए. 11th, x such that x belongs to n and 2x plus 1 greater than 10. So find the value of x. 2x greater than 9, x greater than 9 by 2 means x greater than 4.5. Means this set contain elements 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like that. So its complement is, let this is x set. So x complement is 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? So like this way we can find the complement of a set. Clear? The next one is fourth. If u equals to 1, 2 dash dash up to 9, a equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, and b equals to 2, 3, 5, 7. Verify that. First, a union b complement equals to a complement intersection b complement. Second is a intersection b complement equals to a complement union b complement. Verify means we have to find left hand side and right hand side. In first, I will take left hand side. A union b complement. So first of all, we have to find a union b. A union b is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and its complement. So its complement is only 9. Clear? In right hand side, first of all, a complement intersection b complement. So a complement is leave 2, 4, 6, 8. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Intersection b complement is here a union b. A union b is, so this is 1 and 9. A intersection b is complement is 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. So intersection is 1 and 9. So left hand side equals to right hand side. Clear? So similarly we can find second. Try yourself. Fifth question. Draw appropriate Venn diagram. Draw appropriate Venn diagram of the following. First is A union B complement. We would like to draw its Venn diagram. This is U set. This is A set. This is B set. U, A, B. So its union is this represent A union B, and its complement is exterior part. So this is this portion. This portion represent A union B complement. Okay. Second, A complement intersection B complement. If I would like to find only A complement, this is A, this is U, so its complement is this, so this is A complement. B complement. Clear? means A complement means exterior part of A, B complement means exterior part of B. If we write common part, so this is A, this is B, तो exterior of A complete, in exterior of B complete and its intersection, तो इनका intersection क्या रहेगा, ये रहेगा. तो this represent A complement intersection B complement and both are equal. Either A और B are joint or disjoint, तो दोनों ही हो सकते हैं. थर्ड, A intersection B complement, let this is A, this is B, A B, A intersection B whole complement. तो A intersection B is what? This is A intersection B, and its complement is excluding only intersection part. So these red lines represent A intersection B complement. Fourth part is A complement union B complement. Union means both. This is A, this is B. Clear? A complement means outer part of A, outer part of A. B complement means outer part of B, and union means इकट्ठा. So these red lines represent A complement union B complement. So both are similar. Here both are similar. Clear? Now question number 6. Let U be the set of, let U be the set of all triangle in a plane if A is the set of all triangle with at least one angle different from 60. So what is A complement? All angles different from 60. All angles different from 60 का मीनिंग क्या हुआ? राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल, obtuse angle triangle. Clear? Acute angle triangle it may be. Means at least वन एंगल डिफरेंट फ्रॉम 60, कम से कम एक एंगल 60 से डिफरेंट होना चाहिए. तो इसका रिवर्स क्या होगा? ए कंप्लीमेंट इज ऑल एंगल्स आर 60 डिग्री. ऑल एंगल्स आर 60 डिग्री मीन्स ऑल सेट ऑफ ऑल इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल, क्योंकि वी हैव टू सेट्स, टू अदर सेट्स. यू इज ऑल ट्राइंगल्स, इसमें से कौन से ले चुके हम? एटलीस्ट वन एंगल डिफरेंट फ्रॉम 60 डिग्री. कम से कम एक डिफरेंट होना चाहिए. एक डिफरेंट हो सकता है, दो डिफरेंट हो सकते हैं, तीनों डिफरेंट हो सकते हैं. तो बचा क्या? ऑल एंगल्स आर 60 डिग्री. इफ ऑल एंगल्स आर 60 डिग्री देन ट्राइंगल्स आर इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. क्लियर? लास्ट क्वेश्चन. fill in the blanks for which following statements are true. Fill in the blanks. First, A union A complement. A union A complement is U. Second, phi complement intersection A. Phi complement is what? U, and U intersection A is A. Third, A intersection A complement is phi. Fourth, U complement intersection A. U complement is phi. Phi intersection A is phi. Clear? So this is all about complement of a two sets. Thank you.